All right, I just received the Basin Faucet WaterSong Perfect of Aqua. There's a little scan there. You guys can scan here to get a VIP service. It's also got a URL on it. But let's go ahead and open it up. Let's see what she looks like. All right, so it does come with some instructions, and you have a couple of washers, a protective covering, and here it is. There we go. There is your faucet. And looks like this is a tool, and we have a couple of connectors, and you've got your hot and cold water connector, and this ties it into the top of your counter, and it looks awesome. Look at this. Oh my God, so amazing, just amazing. Let's go ahead and set her back down in there. Nothing in here. All right, so we're gonna have to install that in our bathroom and see what we think. But that is one awesome basin faucet. All right, let's put that one over here. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos.